Hey guys, welcome to goldfries. In today's video, we'll have a look at the Huawei Watch GT 2. Now they have 4 models. The one with me is the 46mm with the black body and black colored strap. This model retails at RM799, while the one with silver colored body and leather strap retails at RM899. Then there are 2 other models, which is the 42mm models. They also retail at RM799. So what I like about this watch, let's talk about the design. I love the black colored look and feel for this one, and that I can change the face of the watch but just by tapping here and then going through the faces. The faces, you can choose what to install or what to have on the watch through the Huawei Health app. You can install new ones, uninstall, so you can, instead of having the default range, you can choose maybe your favorite 3, and there's even one where you can upload your gallery. That aside, I've been using this watch for my exercises like jogging and swimming. I like it that it can track workout just directly from itself. And I go outdoors, it locks onto the GPS for the location, and I can start the workout and it tracks. And unlike those smaller, cheaper, like those supposedly fitness bands, this one, it comes with a whole lot of other features, like even basic stuff: timer, alarm, stopwatch. Those are great. It even comes with stress testing if ever you need such a thing. And then on its own, it even has heart rate monitor. And that aside, the one thing I use it the most is for music playback. I uploaded my songs into the watch and then connect it via Bluetooth to my headphones, and it plays. In fact, I connect it to my car's audio system, have it played. So basically, I have my songs carried everywhere and connected through Bluetooth easily and able to play back with ease. It's so much easier. Like last time I used to connect through phone or through USB devices. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And well, I like it that this one works. So most importantly to me is that it looks good. The screen is clear, sharp, bright, even at the set to the lowest brightness. It works great. There's a whole lot of other features that like whether you use or not, I don't use. For example, the weather feature, they are a flashlight. Yes, I use that from time to time. And there's even compass if ever you need. So basically, it's feature rich. I like it. And speaking of usage, on a full charge, the phone could last me a week. Yes, that's a week with normal usage, including Bluetooth connection to speakers, to headphones. Just use it as I wasn't even trying to be conservative, although I set the brightness to the lowest, but my usage is as what it is as the average user, swimming, trekking, jogging, everything. It lasted me, based on market, 7 to 8 days. So I'm actually very happy with the what it offers. In fact, when I first got it, I thought it's going to last me a few days, but it lasted me more than a week. Based on my last record, 8 days. So from full charge to about 1-2%. So all right, that's it for my sharing, my review of the Huawei Watch GT 2. This one is a 46mm model with black body and retails at RM799. I love it so much and I really don't feel like returning it to Huawei. So overall, gold badge from me for such an awesome device. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.